Hey there guys, welcome to Case Heads Double Box Break number 451 of 13-14 Panini Dominion. Last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on March 13th at 8:13 p.m. Eastern Time. So eBay's current day and time. Right click, reload. It's currently Friday, March 14th at 12:08 a.m. Eastern Time. So we got our live on Breakers TV here. So 451. And these are boxes 7 and 8 from the case, and our serial numbers. Let's close that. So our serial numbers tonight are 770674242357 and 8153 is our second set numbers. And 42357, 4813 is our second one. Go over our serial numbers or over the shrink wrap, and then we will get started. Tomorrow we just got 2 loose boxes, which did actually just come out a new case to the store here, so then I'll be gone to the Vegas Summit for 5 days, so we won't have any breaks for a few days here. So how are you doing, Kev? 1 second. Two, 3, 5, 7. My camera's not focusing. So we should be waiting on short rookie still tonight. Should be a good finish to the case. I can't even remember if we hit our book or anything yet. There we go. How are you doing, Ron? 6 cards. And here we go. So we got base of Cam Fowler at $2.99 for the Anaheim Ducks. We got base of Curtis Glencross out of $2.99 for the Calgary Flames. We got prime of Patrick Marleau out of 25 for the San Jose Sharks. Patrick Marleau. We got an auto rookie patch gold of Mark Arcobello. Edmonton Oilers, 39 of 50. And we have a Vincent Lecavalier out of 99 for the Philadelphia Flyers. There's the Flyers logo up there. We already saw the card back there. And Flyers on the back. And our big hit, short print rookie, Nathan McKinnon for the Colorado Avalanche, 3-color. Number 90 of 99. Very nice hit. So whoever's the Avalanche, if you want tracking on this, just let me know. We'll make arrangements on it. Congratulations, Colorado. What a monstrous hit. And on to box number 2. 8153. Now if we get a shield to finish this one off too, it'd be huge. We've hit a lot of Nathan McKinnon stuff. Because I think that's McKinnon number 9 of 99. Here's our book too now. Both of our big case hits were saved for last. Okay, so that's how we'll do it. 5 cards with the book. So we got Anze Kopitar for the LA Kings, $2.99. We got base jersey of Gabriel Landeskog out of 99 for the Colorado Avalanche. Oh wow. And we have a book, Frozen Moments of Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals. 13 of 99. So very nice hit there for Washington. So very solid box there. Whoever has the Capitals, if you want tracking on that too, just let me know. We'll make arrangements on it. And we got Richard Panik, got a 214 of 299 for the Lightning. And have a autograph patches rookie card number 43 of Drew Shore for the Florida Panthers. So that concludes the break, guys. And yeah, whoever has the Capitals and Avalanche, if you do want tracking on, just let me know as soon as possible, just because I will be gone to the Vegas Summit there, so I might not be able to do any shipping until Thursday when I get back.